Wildflower by Pam Hunt. She's growing up a wildflower, unkempt but not above the law. She's growing up with a higher power as her guide. I'll quit fretting and getting upset about nothing. I quit sweating my little wildflower. I'll just shower her with blessings and a prayer. My little golden hair, goldenrod wildflower. She's growing like a weed with a need to be cherished. Let the sun warm her face. She's so pretty, she'd look good in a vase. Slim legs like stems that go all the way up to heaven. So I'll quit letting her run away with my heart. Quit sweating the small stuff. Our love is enough. Growing up a little wildflower with a higher power as her guide. My little wildflower, unkept but not above the law.